Hello, my name is John and I'm with beigephone.com, and today I'm going to be showing you my iPhone 4S with H2O wireless. As you can see, H2O wireless is a no-contract service provider that uses the At&t network. It offers unlimited talk and text plans, and it does not require unlocking for At&t phones, including the iPhone 4 and the 4S, also the 3Gs and the 3GS as well. The iPhone will be able to use all apps and browse the web at 3G speeds. As you can see, you'll still be able to use your email and Yahoo as well. H2O also provides 3 unlimited data plans and unlimited packages to suit your choice. If you are interested in getting unlimited talk and text for your iPhone or any other At&t phone, please visit us online at www.beigephone.com or give us a call at 1-800-485-1505. And like us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/beigephone.com. Thank you.